Hi everyone, I'm Anagha from Access Language School, and in this session let us discuss about tenses, which comes under the essential grammar required for OET. Now we all know about tenses, but we do not know how to apply it, especially when we come into the case of OET letter writing. You need to use or properly use the tenses according to the context in order to make your letter accurate, more pleasing, and to convey the information more logically. Now we all know tenses are broadly divided into past, present, and future. And in order to write and speak accurately in English, you need to make a proper usage of all these tenses according to the context. Now taking into consideration the first tense, that is the past tense, you all know it always talks about the events which have taken place before or in the past. So you may receive or you can use the past tense in any one of the following varieties. I am mentioning only few of them. Like simple past. For example, if I say Pooja ate. Then simple past perfect. Pooja had eaten. Simple past perfect continuous, we would say Pooja had been eating. So you can see the structure goes on varying as you go according to each and every varieties. So you need to take care of all these varieties. Now in the simple past you talk about the routine things which happen in your life and which has already got completed. And in the past perfect you talk about repeated actions or extended situations. Whereas in past perfect continuous you tend to talk about something which has happened in the past before all the other events but still continue to happen. Therefore you might be understanding that past tense plays one of the pivotal roles in OET letter writing, since in your case notes you may receive situations which might have happened much before, or mostly the situations would be something which has happened much before. So you need to maximum make use of the past tense. Therefore always have an extra weightage towards the usage of past tense and try to understand the major varieties of all these. Okay, now let us move into the present tense. Present tense is something which you witness or which you go through in your daily life, or it's part of your daily routine. In the same way, it is the major thing in the OET subtest. And something which you need to know is that present tense can also occur in various varieties like simple, perfect, continuous, and perfect continuous. In the simple state, it may talk about all your routine actions and something which has been finished or may be going on. And in the continuous action, the action is not completely finished, it is still going on. And in the case of simple perfect, in the case of this particular tense, it talks about finished actions. And in the case of perfect continuous tense, it talks about a task which is going on for a particular period of time. These are the various varieties which you can observe under the present tense. Now moving to the next one, that is the future tense. According to the OET letter writing pattern or the context, whatever it may be, the major tenses which is given importance is the past tense and the present tense. Future tense does not have that much importance when compared to the other two tenses. So you need to keep in mind that whenever you are preparing for your OET letter writing, you need to give more emphasis to the present tense and the past tense, and also you should know something about the future tense. Thank you.